everyone, welcome back to the Mountain Shadows Arts and Crafts video. Today's craft will be making painting with salt, and we're doing some fireworks. So, you're gonna, in the packet that you received, you got a black cardstock paper. You also received some paint, red, blue and white, and some salt. You're gonna need some glue, and you're also gonna need some glitter and some napkins to wipe off the cotton stick in order to go to your next color. So let's begin. You begin with some glue. And so you start by making firework. And you can just do a circle, bring it out, make a loop, go longer, make a loop, take some different shapes, just like that. And then you come over, and you can make small ones if you like, little loopy. Like that. And then you can continue. You can make as much as you want, or if you have other ideas in making fireworks, other designs, you can. Okay. And then you come down to the bottom, and you can put 2000 and 21. Okay, close off your glue so that it doesn't dry off. And then you can decide to go with gold. And you can put some gold like that. You can put a lot. And then you're gonna let this dry. Oh, I forgot a very important step, everyone. So I'll show you the next step, because it should be glue, and then it should be your salt, like this. So you want to add your salt to the glue, like this. Okay, and you put salt all on the glue, cover everything. There we go. So then you want to wait for it to dry, okay? And once it dries, then you can go ahead and remove the extra salt from it. And I'll show you what to do next. So let's put this one over to the side. So you see here, 2021. I didn't put any paint on it, so let me show you how you go about doing that. So the glue is all dry, the salt has settled, and you have removed the extra salt from the cardstock. Then you dip the Q-tips into the paint, and you just start dabbing. Make sure your paint has water in it, because that makes it kind of expand. It gives it a nice effect. Okay. So anyway, so you just go ahead and put your paint on there. I should have more water on this, but I just wanted to show you how to go about doing it. There. So it does expand. So once you have that all colored in, then you take your glitter, and you can do gold or whatever color you want to use for your glitter, and you just put it right there on top of the paint that's still wet. And that way it'll stick on there and it'll dry beautifully. Just an example here. Take the extra off, and you see? And they look beautiful. And that's how you paint with salt. Have fun with this project. It's always fun to paint with salt, paint, and glue. Happy New Year.